I'm reporting from the 20th Oscar Wilde party here in LA, where the Irish gather in the build-up to the Oscars.
I wanted to come because they celebrate Irish people. It's 20 years since they began. That was my first job in America was exactly 20 years ago this week, so it felt like a really nice thing to come and be a part of. I feel like I've been accepted as an artist by some of my favorite American artists. So the US-Irish thing is like, it's a great thing to bring people together.
Truthfully, I've just always known it exists, and I've always I was always dying to do it. Just sounds exciting, and obviously I spent a lot of time in LA, but it doesn't always necessarily feel like there's a massive Irish community, and so to be part of something Irish here is lovely.
Obviously this year there have been some incredible performances, some incredible productions thanks to the Irish, so I feel like it's always a worthy celebration, but maybe this year in particular.
I actually have the nominees in there tonight, and I'm here doing this, and then I'll go there. This is always more fun. That's the long and short of it.
Chatting to some of the Irish at the nominee luncheon, and like Richie over there, just such a lovely, warm welcome. Feel like I've known him all my life after meeting him for a couple of minutes. So yeah, just feel really welcome here.
I wanted to be here this evening because I've just finished the 5th season of Harry Wilde, and then I did Irish Wish, and then I seem to be working consistently in Ireland, very specifically in Dublin, and I feel like it's my second home.
I think the connection between Ireland and the US is a huge one, especially in this industry that we're in. The collaborations that take place are enormous. I think it's really interesting because the US is so vast, and we've got our island, and then the level of talent that crosses over is amazing. Behind the camera, in front of the camera, incredible what's going on this year, and actually every year during Oscar season. So yeah, great storytellers, and then plenty of money over here, so it all goes together really well.
There's a legacy to the country with art. But lately, yeah, it's true. It's been a little bit more to the forefront in films and television. That's absolutely true, but it's always been on my radar.
I think we've always punched above our weight culturally, just in terms of the size of the country, that the impact globally is outsized. It's kind of amazing. I think right at the moment in film and in theatre and writing, across the board, there is what's extraordinary is the sheer number of amazing artists making great art coming out of Ireland. That is incredible, and we've always had people, the shining sort of stars, but right now there are so many of them doing so much incredible work that it does feel like a special moment, for sure.
Irish people are quite genuine, so when they talk to you about stuff and get excited about meeting you, it's because they are excited, and I'm really excited to be here tonight, and it's always a really good night, and there's always such lovely people here, and it's a chance to kind of catch up with a lot of friends.
The Irish are everywhere. We've always been known to be everywhere, so we're in LA, we're in New York. I came here today and I was looking for some Sudafed, and there was an Irish person behind the counter, and she was fantastic, so yeah.
Sunday's going to be what it's going to be. We just have to have fun. You have to be present and enjoy it.